my 1995 Miata. Do a quick video and then I'll do a cold start so you guys can see. 2860 Garrett GTX Turbo. 9 live racing splitter. RPF wheels. Enkai. Carbon fiber rear wing. Also have a huge wing for the track. Another set of tires, 15 by 9s. R30 splitter, exhaust. I mean, there's no parts that are spared. Didn't go cheap on it. I'll do a quick cold start. It's the interior. Interior is mint and custom. It's a G Racing shifter. Probably the shortest shift you can possibly find. It's a cold start. You can see the temperature gauge. Engine just had a brand new head installed with APR head bolts and a few things, but brand new. Beautiful, everything's beautiful, and I just don't use it. Moto, rad, we had a bypass, single automotive hood vents, and that's about it. Yeah. Also, the roll bar is really rare. It's from California, black. It's Blackbird Fabrics harness, and I have a Sparkle Racing that fits in there. So, wheel with brakes too. So, and I have another set of wheels as well. And that's about it. Thank you. 95 Miata Turbo.